Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Viltrox 50mm F1.8 ini memiliki ukuran build quality yang hampir sama dengan yang focal length 24mm dan 35mm ya. 24 dan 35 itu lensanya cembung ya. 50mm ini lensanya cekung kayak G Master 50 f1.2 ya. Terus untuk aperture ringnya ini sama dengan yang 24 dan 35 mm. Ada mode kliknya hanya yang menuju ke auto, ini dikontrol di kamera ya. Ya seperti Viltrox yang udah kita review sebelumnya. Cobain ring fokusnya. Feel-nya sama lah, hampir nggak ada bedanya ya. Terus kita akan lihat di bagian rear body, ya sama persis. Ini belum weather sealing ya kalau nggak salah. Terus ya sama-sama memiliki USB Type-C untuk firmware upgrade. Rear cap-nya juga sama lah, bahannya plastik gitu. Nah, ini front cap-nya kayak gini. Bahannya sama, plastik. Ukurannya beda-beda sih. Ternyata ukuran diameternya sama ya. Semuanya di 55 mm. Jadi kita kalau mau beli filter itu gampang, belinya yang 55 mm aja, cukup beli satu buat di ketiga lensa ini. Nah untuk hoodnya ini ternyata bedanya, ini tulisannya ada PL16, dan di sini PL20. Ini aku lupa ya yang mana hoodnya. Kalau nggak salah yang PL20 ini mungkin buat yang 24 mm ya. Minus dari lensa ini masang hoodnya lumayan susah sih, tapi kadang auto nemu langsung gitu, langsung pas. Cuman kadang ya rada kesusahan gitu masangnya, kayak nggak mau pas gitu. Selebihnya untuk teknologi autofocus motor yang STM itu sama ya, sama persis dengan yang 24 dan 35. Terus chromatic aberration-nya ya pasti ada ya. Aku udah sempat lihat di beberapa foto itu ada purple fringing atau chromatic aberration. Tapi keren ya, di sini ada logo merah gitu. Jadi lensanya jadi terlihat lebih elit loh. Good job Viltrox untuk budget lensnya. Buat yang nanya mungkin, Bang dibandingin dengan yang Sony 50mm f1.8, ya belum sempat aku bandingin ya. Ya kalau nggak pixel peeping mungkin kita nggak bakal bisa tahu sih gimana perbedaan kedua lensa itu.
Lima hilang sih berjam ini.
Pohon-pohon zaman dinosaurus itu. Iya, kita dinosaurusnya.
Ada apa ya?
Udah keringatan.
Nggak kelihatan.
Tanpa break langsung toleh kanan, toleh kiri.
Ini cara apa? Di betan telepon lalu kan. Oh tinggal punya. Tinggal punya deh, mai pak. Biar lagi menek. Mending mai pak lagi betan.
Mau senyum atau enggak? Mau senyum apa enggak?
Nasi ada di joy kan menek.
Ya.
Ani tonggo gitu.
Enggak bisa sih lah.
Ngelihat sini, ngelihatnya sini. Nah, malah besi.
Harus banyak nih effortnya.
Cuma ani paling bagus spotnya di sini. Spot andalan, makanya kami di sini ya. Cinta alam tai kucing. Wih, pakai nih. Cinta alam tai.
Coba lu lagi ada yang buat konten.
Itu backgroundnya gunung misalnya itu dua.
Gunung di sini. Tengah-tengahnya sampah.
Apa nih vignette-nya? Aku.
Hah?
Kokku.
Perlu diikat.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm.
Di sini berapa ya? 25 ya?
25. Ini pakai cinematic mode.
Ganti jacket.
Even I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Gotta take taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for it. Blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.